That's not looking too bad. I can feel the off-balanceness. Oh my God! Dude, I literally broke the trunk. Like, it will not shut again. Oh, dude, are we gonna have to get AutoZone hood pins for the trunk already? We just got this 5 minutes ago.
You broke the trunk, dude.
Dude, look, it just won't latch.
For due diligence.
Oh, I thought you had it. I thought you had it for a second.
I played it a little.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that tread, dude.
Oh my God, bro. What on earth? No. Oh my God.
You think I'm not prepared over here?
Oh my God, dude. This dude. Alright, next video. You'll see this in the next video.
I imagine our neighbors love us.
That's so loud, dude. Expect that.
It's an ergonomic keyboard.
What the hell, dude? He's playing legal. Dude, he has an Alienware. We're about to get down on like some PUBG or something, dude. Are we playing Fortnite? Are we LAN partying Fortnite tonight? You in, dude? Hell yeah. Tell me this isn't the busiest Harbor Freight you've ever seen. The mission here is to simulate the size of the tire. And by the way, I got burnt on my exhaust. I feel like someone's gonna comment on this. I got
Actually,
burnt.
Sahiki.
Yeah, that's what I was about to, it looks suspicious for sure. I got burnt, dude. My KAT. Bro.
Fruit bootin'.
200-pound capacity. This is like a scooter wheel. Oh my God, should we make eBay Heelys? Dude, I'll glue these to my shoe or something, and I'll run around with these on.
Hey man, make a pair for me too.
Dude, that's what I'm talking about.
Sounds fun.
Or a way to get seriously injured. Like, what if we weld this on and it doesn't protrude from the steely? You know what I mean? Should we just go grab it, walk in here? We're gonna go grab the steely and walk in here. I forgot how small this actually is.
It's pretty tiny.
Alright, so we were going with one of these. Honestly, is that perfect?
That's not bad, yeah. I think we're...
Was this the one from the get-go? How many do we need, though? That's the question. Like 10, 12?
I don't know.
411 and 00.
411 00. Chow's secret to getting rich.
The spacing is the interesting
10, I'm guessing
situation.
10.
Like, yeah.
Chow's guessing 10.
He was right about the caster wheel.
Yeah,
which
no,
one
he
to
was.
go with.
He
so
said
maybe
this one. Should we just grab 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just grab 10.
we can blame him if it's wrong.
Yeah, Chow. 411 00. Okay, so we got 10 of these.
You better throw down that 20% coupon or what?
Oh, hell yeah.
There.
You good? Let me get some of this shit out of your car.
Thanks, fam.
Alright, Chow, you're laying the first welds, dude.
Oh God.
I want to see some eyes closed sketchiness, dude.
I mean, we're kind of legit around here. I'm not
He's
gonna
got
lie.
the mask, dude. He's got the riced out Harbor Freight mask.
Test.
Oh.
That was definitely on grind.
Should we just send it?
That is an unhappy welder right there, but
Dude, it's...
call that shit welded.
It's on there. I think we might be right on the money with the 10. I think that's pretty even. That's not looking too bad.
Yeah.
A lot of welding to do. 2.5 inch.
Not bad.
Was that it? Oh, dude. We're mint on that one. Can I use...
mask, you know,
Nah,
literally
dude.
6 inches from your hand.
Look, the tack welds, are all done blind, okay?
Alright, as is tradition.
Dude, we totally had one more wheel. Am I at the appropriate distance here?
I get the official reading. See if
to guide
we're
me
within
here.
spec.
On to the next one. I mean, dude, it rolls pretty good. We might be onto something here.
I'm afraid it's just gonna not turn.
It's just gonna literally
and then it's just gonna
stay
use
still.
the two that it's sitting on,
We'll see what happens, dude.
so we can get more fumes.
Great. There we go.
Video just got way louder.
been so far. I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely looking good.
The extension cord's coming out. The welding's about to get sketch.
That might do it. That might do it. Alright. Let's get these last 3 wheels going. I don't know where you want this. This was my setup.
With the Miata seat?
Yeah,
That's the hot seat.
the fan works pretty good. Yeah.
Wow. I feel privileged.
No, that's a good welding chair. Huh?
There you go.
Thank you, sir. What shade is this on? Jesus.
We maxed out everything.
Fresh out. I think that's all she wrote.
I'm out here trying to pretend we're doing things right. But this whole time there's a Chicago electric flux core welder sitting in the background just on deck.
I like where this is going. Dude, you ready for this, Chow? Dude, I'm not even gonna lie. This welds so much easier than the MIG. Alright, where's the hubcap?
Very 90s style, dude.
This is very classy. I think this is awesome. Alright, this is moment of truth, guys. Oh, God. That is incredibly off balance.
Oh man.
I can feel the off balanceness.
Oh my God. Goddamn carnival ride.
Yeah, it's like the zipper.
I'm scared that if this works and we can get this up to speed, we are shooting caster wheels
Oh, yeah.
at dangerous speeds at people.
Oh, yeah.
This could get bad.
That's fine. I'll try this at home. Professionals. Yada yada.
Please go down extremely slowly. Oh my God, oh my God, what?
Sorry, sir.
I just don't want to lose
I lost my
can't-
touch.
I'm so scared right now, like I don't want to lose a finger. We have contact.
Are you ready?
I don't know, dude. Are we
Oh
ready?
my God! Look, it's like we got some mad positive camera going on.
I'm so scared that I'm gonna get hit with one of these right now.
Oh, my
Jesus! He's like, are we on?
She's down.
Oh,
my God.
dude! We gotta drive it now. I hate to interrupt you there, but the holidays are right around the corner. I'm doing an awesome giveaway that's 100% free to enter. The winner gets to choose between an Xbox One, a Nintendo Switch, and a PlayStation 4. Also, there's a second place prize, which is a $50 Amazon gift card. It's super easy to enter. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, comment #TeamOD on my most recent post. I'll be picking a winner on December 10th.
It's dragging. It's just dragging. Oh my God.
I don't know if I'm ready to go over that bump.
Go forward a little bit first, see if it'll line them up a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Now go back.
Send it or go slow.
Go slow or send it. Slow?
I don't know, man. I kind of want to see it out of the garage.
Oh, no. It's just gonna... Oh, you're straight, just pushing it.
Wow. Oh, no.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What happened?
It turned. It turned the wheel.
It rolled like a wheel.
Whoa!
Oh my God,
go,
it's gonna do it again.
Oh, that is so smooth right now. Oh my God.
Oh God.
It's like on that perfect alignment.
And I'm gonna take the left.
Oh no, it broke. It's still pretty good.
It totally just crazy carted. We got
There's a
crazy
mark.
cart.
Holy shit, that's amazing.
I don't know.
Oh no, it pushed.
We totally got crazy cart.
Oh no.
Yeah, you definitely just
Dude, jack it up, let's flip it through
Alright,
another
alright, this.
That height transfer there.
How does the car feel? Was it any different?
Oh yeah, dude. It literally feels like when you pull the handbrake on a crazy cart, like it just slid so easily. You know what I mean?
You just want to rotate it a little
Yeah,
bit?
it just wants to spin out right away. Like I feel like if we were in a parking lot, it would just do violent 360s. Oh, that wheel is
Oh man,
toasted.
yeah, there's part of it. That one's cheeched.
Oh yeah, dude. I mean, I feel like that worked pretty well for what it was. Is it?
Alright, what are we choosing here?
Slam it down.
Just drop it?
Yeah.
Well, let me go up higher first.
Oh my god!
Should I like brace for impact?
Alright, ready?
Oh yeah. Oh, it worked.
Dude, we're fine.
Oh, anticlimactic.
Should I send it?
Yeah, dude.
That was really bad. It spins out so easily. It's awesome. It was.
It even rolled like a wheel a couple times, dude.
Yeah, it was. I feel like that was the best case scenario for how flawed that design was in the first place. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to follow Braden on YouTube and follow us on Instagram.